Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today's a little bit of an odd video. It's actually a project that I did, got it completely finished, and then I didn't like it, so I took it down. Now normally I don't do that. Normally I just go with it and adjust and see what I can do to fix the problem. But you know, I still wanted to show you guys because who knows, it could be helpful for you and it might inspire you to do something similar. It may work in your scenario, but for this year it didn't work for me. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're actually going to hang stuff above the tree. Now I've seen this done in quite a few applications at Canterbury Gardens. They usually do it towards a theme that they have going on through the tree. Well, this year, since my plan was to have a very glitzy Christmas but also have some woodsiness to it, I decided, why don't I make this woodsy ceiling treatment, and then my Christmas tree can kind of be the star of the show with all of the glam and crystals and everything on it. Never done anything like this before, so it's going to be a learning experience for all of us, but I want to take you guys along through the process as I make this ceiling treatment. Okay, so first things first, if you want to do this correctly, you want it to not run into your Christmas tree. Now last year, whenever my tree was set up, I actually did measure to see where the top of it went. So my measurements went 43 from the corner. It was 31 inches on each side. So this needs to go out just a little bit further. So I know that this is where the center of my tree will be. Oh my gosh, that takes up a lot more room than I thought. The tree point isn't right here. It's actually pretty close to my ceiling. So I know that the tree is probably gonna be about this big. Like when we get to this point, I know I don't want anything hanging here because I don't want it to run into the tree. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take some more blue painter's tape and kind of make little points on the ceiling of areas where I shouldn't hang anything. So what I'm gonna do is just do a circle. If you have a small enough Christmas tree, you can set it up first, and then once you get the midpoint where the tree is gonna be, you can actually slide the tree over, and then you can continue this. So this is a garland that I picked to use for this. It's very woodsy looking, but at the same time, it's very airy. I don't think it's gonna be too top heavy looking. Now to attach this to my ceiling, I'm going to use a staple gun. For the people that don't like to put holes in their ceiling, please look away now. So you've seen these last year. I had these little branches that were covered in flocking. I think I'm gonna try to add some of these in there kind of to brighten it up. Now I'm gonna be honest about something. It is at this point where I was starting to doubt this. So now that we got that done, I think it might be fun to add some of these pine cones in there. Now I'm gonna hang these from ribbon at different heights. And I also think I wanna bring in some icicles. Okay, so I got the pine cones up there and it's looking a little boring. I wanted to do something before I got the icicles up. Let me show you. This, I don't want it to be too heavy. So I got these little fairy lights. Didn't those lights make it look so dreamy? Like, picture yourself laying in the woods in the middle of the night. Don't do that, that's not safe. Looking up at the stars through the trees. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could see it from here. This is so beautiful. So now all I have to do is just add a few icicles and I'll show you the finished product. We're to the final piece of the tree. Let's see if that blue tape was right where we needed it to be. I was a couple inches off. That's okay. It's not hitting the tree. That's what I wanted. Alright guys, well that's it. Like I said, I don't hate the idea. It just didn't work for me this year. So don't forget to subscribe down below so you can see all of the Christmas videos that I have planned for you. And oh, also, one last thing. If you have Instagram, please use the hashtag Jay's Holiday Wonderland, because if you recreate any of this stuff or just want to show off your decorations, I want to see them. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. Merry Christmas!